Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Living Lucky Off Grid. My name is Lucky, and we're here to do the Thug Dizzle. So guys, I had the tree company. They came in. All right, so don't be upset at me. They've already started. Unfortunately, I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. I've been waiting on them to get here, so we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna go back here and see what they've done. Check it out. Get some footage of what they've already done so we can see what they got done and how far we need to go, and as the journey goes of them cutting down our trees and flattening out our area. So let's go. Let's have a look. Dude, I'm so excited. I don't know. I feel like a little kid in a candy store. It is, I don't know. This journey is super amazing. Guys, I'm literally building my own paradise from my own ground, from my own land, doing my own thing. And I cannot be more excited. Look how big this dang tractor is, guys. Look how big the tractor is. Look, bro, this is the wheel. And you know, I'm a 6 foot tall guy. All right, and I'm standing up, and it is to my shoulder or more. So that's like a 5.5 foot tall tire. Look, bro, that's crazy talk. But I don't know if I can show a before or after picture, guys, but they've already cut so many trees down. Well, it's not a whole lot, but they've cut the area around my home. You can see where they started cutting down, like clearing the acre out. Like, it's totally incredible. It's totally incredible. Look how big around some of these trees are, guys. I mean, that's like 2 foot round. It's crazy. Like, they're humongous. Look. Yeah, they've cut so many down already, man. I hate to see them go, but I like to see them leave all at the same time. Yeah, so they're not really here today, but that's okay. Today is a Sunday. It's a Sunday. I don't know when y'all going to be watching this video, but today is a Sunday, so they're not working today. I'm assuming they're going to be working tomorrow, because I talked to them Wednesday last week, and they said they're going to call me and let me know when they started. They just dropped the equipment off at the property, but that's okay. So assuming they started Friday, and they didn't get a whole lot done, but I'm sure tomorrow they're going to be here, and I'm getting up in the morning. I'm coming down my funky self down here to see if I can get some more footage of them taking this down, because I am so ecstatic. I'm so happy, and journey's real, guys. It's real. So far, I believe they've only cut down about 20 trees so far. So it's not like they've cut down a whole lot. If you can see, it's like 4 or 5 over there, 4 or 5 there, 3 there, and then they got 4 or 5 here. So it's like 18 to 20 trees they've already cut down, which it's not a whole lot, but I mean, within this half an acre that they started in. I mean, if you could see, bro, look how close these trees are in the line. So I mean, they're all really, 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 really close to each other. So it's going to take a lot of work, and I don't know if they actually marked the property line or not, but maybe we should go check, right? Let's go check. I got a little carried away trying to look for those ribbons that they marked on the trees. I found a couple of them. You really can't see them now, but there's a couple of them that way. I walked down a long path, and then I realized it's like I have way much more property than I think my mind pictured, which is crazy. But I'll take it, right? We'll take it. So I'm going to try to see if we can find the rest of the ribbons. Let's go. So I couldn't find any more ribbons, but it's okay. I found the ones going down the side, down the short side of the property, but the ones going across the back I couldn't find. It's a million trees. So, oh well. I know it's there because well, it might not be there, but he told me it was there, and I'm going to trust him. So, it is what it is. But I think that's going to be it for today, guys. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Check out these trees cutting down. Let's go. Would be a freaking traffic. Is it me or that people that ride in that left lane, once they see an arrow right up there that says to get over, why do they stay left? And when there's clearly a spot right here, they just go right past me. I don't know. Make it make sense. All right, so we're here, guys. This is day number 2 for the trees getting cut down. So they just unloaded another machine. It's that giant thing right there. Y'all saw a little clip of it coming off the trailer. So this machine here is to, once the other one cuts the trees down, the one back there, that one cuts the trees down. This one grabs it. It's going to bring it up here to another machine. They're going to grab another machine and come and drop it off here. That drags it, puts it to another machine that helps it clean it off and cut it to get it loaded onto the trailer. So that's what we're doing now. Let's take a look at this machine. Let's go. I'm just clueless on how all of this works, but these machines are so massive. It makes no sense at all. These machines, bro, this is my hand. You know, I can't even get the whole thing in frame. Good look. Take a good gander at it, guys. It's amazing. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. I like you. You cut my trees down. Thank you. All right, guys, this is day 3. Hope everybody's doing fine. I got a couple clips of them working, of us getting some of the trees down. But let me show you guys what's all done, because they're finished now. Let me show you. But down our driveway, this spot right here was originally where we was going to have our cabin or home. All of this area to the left over here, it's all cleared out now. It's about an acre they cleared out over here. So I think that's pretty nice. And they also cleared an acre on that side, on the right side of the driveway, which is really nice too. So now that the plan is open, this is what I'm thinking. And you guys let me know in the comments what you think. So the driveway, I was gonna have it turn and rotate to the left in front of the house, because the house is gonna be right there. Yep, so now I want the driveway to curve and go behind those trees. They left these trees kind of like right here in the center. So, and just curve around and come out right there. I think that'd be really cool. And then move the house from there, maybe there, and have a side porch or maybe a larger kind of wraparound porch, and the side goes to the river that's right there on that line. Right there at the edge of my finger is right where the river is. So I think that'd be pretty cool. And then we can have a deck that goes down. Now we have to clean up all of this and start back over, which is cool, I guess. Just got to trust the process, right? We're going to trust the process. So we'll clean all this up. Well, I think we'll probably put it here, have a half wrap around porch, and have the deck going out there towards the river over there. But the tree company, they did absolutely leave us with a mess, but they did clear out plenty space. So now we got to clean this up, which is cool. And hopefully the ground over here don't have as many roots as that side. But now we do need to come over here, and now I need a footing plan. So anybody knows how to do footings and got any information, let me know. Because, I mean, we're all learning, right? We're all learning. So that way we can get this foundation started on this home. But we got to get this cleaned up first. So that'll probably be our next project. Get this area cleaned up. Get some of these trees moved. Hell yeah. I'm excited as crap, dude. I don't know. Manual labor never seemed to be so fun. I guess when you're doing it for yourself, it's different, right? That's right. So if you're watching this, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, hit that subscribe button so you can follow Lucky to see if I make my paradise come true, baby. So hit that follow button. What are you waiting on? Appreciate that, fam.